Hi, my name's Katie, and I absolutely love doing crafts and little models. This is one I made. It's a garden kit from Rolife, and it's completely DIY. It comes with all the tools, all the instructions you need. So I wanted to do a little video about two of the objects that I made for this kit. So here we are making a watering can for the little garden model. Now this came from a kit. I will link where I got it in the description. It took a few days, lots of hours, but it's really fun. Everything's made by hand, mostly paper. There was a lot of flower work in this project, but it gives you all the tools you need. You just have to cut them out and put them into place. So here I am cutting. I folded out all the little pieces and put them in front of the camera so you can see. There's the base of the watering can, and then next I'm attaching the handle. Now the only tools I used for this object for the watering can was just some Elmer's glue and tweezers to get the little tiny pieces exactly where you want them to be. The spout on the end there took a little bit of time because it's on an angle. You have to hold it in place, wait until the glue dried a little bit or at least got tacky. And then lastly, I'm adding the top bit onto the watering can. I'm just holding everything in place. And here is our cute little watering can. Not perfect, but in the grand scheme of things, it looks very cute. So next we're going to be making a straw hat. Now this included some thicker paper, some cardboard paper, rope to kind of make the straw look, and some flowers. So I'm measuring out the amount of rope that I need, and then it comes with the rope. They're two twisted together, so it's called for half a strand. So right now I'm just untwisting all that rope to get the exact amount that I need. And there was my cat Fred making an appearance and jumping all over my project. Cutting out the base of the cardboard now for the brim of the hat. It had the hole in the middle because and a cut through it, so when you glue it together, it kind of has a little bit of a curve. And of course, there's Fred again, just knocking over the camera. So I'm cutting out the base of the top of the hat, making it so to lay on top, and then you're going to wrap the rope all around to give that straw hat look. And cutting that out. Okay, so back with the hat. Now I'm gluing the hat together, so putting the base part and then going to get the top rounded up and glued onto that as well. Again, just using Elmer's glue here, and I don't know if I use the tweezers in this video, mainly just my hands. You're going to be all messy and glued. Now starting to do the rope, you're going to start from the outside of the brim, work your way in, so then you can go up the top of the hat all in one go. And the glue worked, actually I was kind of surprised it worked really well with this because you don't need to use a lot. And if you do have excess, you can kind of just mush it all around and it dries clear. Cutting out the little leaves, it came with a pattern to use like the exact size, but again, you can just kind of cut a leaf shape that you like. And those little yellow bulbs there will be the little flowers. So using the tweezers here to put them in place and holding them. So I didn't get a picture of the straw hat on its own, but here it is in the completed room. And I had so much fun doing this project. It was a lot of fun. I wish I videoed the whole process, but thanks for watching. Bye-bye.